Cons Maths 5 Plus, page 19. Dear students, today we learn about concept of tall, taller, tallest. Hence, the palm tree is tallest among the banyan tree and fruit plant, while the newly sprung plant is short in height. Let's have activity time. Write T for taller one. You see a camel, a zebra, and a giraffe in this picture. Write T in the circle by a camel because it is the taller. Respectable teachers and parents explain to the children the concept of tall, taller, tallest so that they may compare objects with reference to their height. Also, show them flashcards for the revision of tall, taller, tallest and ask them to recognize the tallest object. Help them to understand the concept of tall, taller, tallest through practical demonstration in the classroom. Ask the children to name all tall, taller, and tallest objects they see in their immediate surroundings. Appreciate the children who recognize well and understand the difference between tall, taller, tallest. Thank you.